Can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Brawls Outdoors. I'm Shane. I'm usually with Melanie, but she's not here right now. But you're used to probably seeing our outdoor adventures, our RV trips, and everything that we do, go hiking, waterfalls. But I'm going to bring you something today that is one of my favorite things that I've found, which is an RV trip planner called Chat GPT. And it's free. From helping you find campgrounds, to hikes, to dog-friendly restaurants, whatever you want to do on your trip, it can help in seconds. And did I mention it's free? Let's dive in. So first, what is Chat GPT? Well, it's an app from OpenAI. It's basically like a super smart travel buddy that can plan your itineraries, give you suggestions, whatever you want to do on your trip. I've been using it for probably about a year and a half, and we used it on our trip to Maine. When we went to the campground we stayed at, it was suggested that was the best one next to Acadia, so we stayed there, and actually we hiked right into Acadia from our campground. It also helped us out when we went to Canada, Niagara Falls, Finger Lakes. It gave us all of our suggestions for campground in Bath, New York that was near the Finger Lakes, everywhere we needed to hike, just by a few little prompts. There's a free version and there's a paid version. I use the free version. The paid version can give you weather forecast and more in-depth things that you want to do. But for me, I like the free, so that's what I'm going to do. And also, you can copy and paste or print your itinerary out. I copy and paste it and put it on my notes on my computer or on my phone. All right, so let's see how this works. So let's say I'm wanting to plan a trip from Jonesboro to the Badlands, 2-week trip, and I want to try to find all the things around, all the restaurants, all the hikes, everything that I need to do. I want to find a luxury campground, or maybe I just want a campground by the creek. I don't know. So here's the prompt that I'm going to type in. And just like that, it gave me a full day-to-day breakdown. It also gave me driving times, parks, cool stops, where to camp, what to eat, where to go. That was in seconds. Normally, when I would plan before, it would take me a week, a month. I would start planning out our trips. I remember we would go to San Diego, we went to Telluride, a few other places in Montana, and I would just be a month, 2 months out, I would be planning. Melanie lets me do the planning, and I try to really make a good trip. We did this, like I said, last year, and it was seamless. We had some of the most amazing adventures. over the course of the year, and with the help of Chat GPT. AI is really coming on in this world fast, and a lot of good things are with it. I know there's a lot of bad with it too, but there is a lot of good with it. And so this may help you make your RV trips better. You can also customize your trips with a little bit more info. So if I wanted to put on here, let's say if I wanted to type in a weather forecast, I know Chat GPT, the free version, can do some of that, but I know the paid version gets a little better. If I want to do routes on which way to travel, maybe which is better for the RV that I'm pulling, I can put that in. I can also figure out how much gas I'm going to need for my trip and try to plan ahead for that also. But if I want to tweak it, and let's say I want to stop in Nashville and I want to find a cool campground there, maybe with a hike close by, I can type that in and it will change my itinerary right there within the second. So I can look for all those things. So as you're going along and as you're doing this, you know, if you think, oh crap, I want to stop here, I want to go here, you can do that. It's easy. Just type it in and redo it. So I'm going to give you 4 tips for better prompts. These. Number 1, be specific. Include your rig, travel size, dates, and preferences. Number 2, ask follow-up questions. It can revise your plans on the fly. 3, save your itineraries. You can copy and paste them to your notes, like I said before. Put them in your notes, put them on your MacBook, put them in your computer, on your phone, whatever. 4, use it as a co-pilot, not the final say-so. And the reason I said that, if it gives you a suggestion for a campground, you can go to that camp, just check and make sure the campground is not full. So some really cool ideas that it gave us was when we went to Niagara Falls, was to walk in the Cave of the Wind down below the waterfall. We would have never done that if we didn't know about it prior to and actually going ahead and getting our tickets. We went to the Finger Lakes. It gave us a whole ton of different waterfall hikes to do and some different suggestions. When we went to Maine, it gave us a great location for a campground that we stayed at right outside of Acadia, actually within steps to Acadia when we got on the trail. And also gave us a really cool place to eat on the island. We had some good lobster rolls. When we were in the Finger Lakes, it gave us some ideas to do hikes. We went on some amazing waterfall hikes just all around the Finger Lakes. It can also give you dog-friendly hikes within national parks, and we actually found one in Acadia that we took Miss Kylie on. How we miss Kylie. She was a great dog. But just gives you endless opportunities to do things that you never would have thought you would be doing. So Chat GPT is a great tool. That is how I plan our RV trips using Chat GPT. It saves time. It gives us some great suggestions to do while we're on the trip. And honestly, it's really fun to use. Like I said before, it is a great tool to use when you're getting ready to do this. So if you like this video, if you want to watch more RV tricks, hacks, some of our travel sites, campground reviews, waterfall hikes, and just hikes in general, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Until next time, keep watching. And if you need some help doing Chat GPT on your own for RV travel, just hit a comment to me and I'll get back with you. Until next time, keep watching.